beginners. Kamala Harris for cryptocurrency. Crypto for Harris. Today we got good news. And I'm going to talk about what could happen when Kamala Harris becomes the president of the United States. The good news for today is Senate Majority Leader Chuck Schumer says a crypto bill can pass Senate this year. So they are working on it really hard because hey, cryptocurrency is here to stay, so we might as well be the most innovative country in the world, on cryptocurrency. So US wants to maintain its status. For cryptocurrency investor, traders, or miner, any businesses related to cryptocurrency, it's really difficult to make investment. Not sure about the laws and regulations. So that's why they want to make it really important for the United States to become #1 in the world. So that's very good. And Chuck Schumer overturned some of the onerous regulations. So he's crypto friendly. He's a Democrat, but he's crypto friendly. Now it's election year, so Democrats, Republicans, they try to be friendly to cryptocurrency and just to get votes, or I wouldn't say just to get votes, but I think everybody realizes that hey, cryptocurrency is not going anywhere. So we might as well set the regulations and make sure that everybody is playing by the rules and make sure everybody is paying tax, because they know that if you make something illegal, you don't get money from that source, right? So they might as well make it illegal so they can get tax revenue from cryptocurrency industry. Very smart. So both sides of the aisles, Republicans, Democrats, they want cryptocurrency. That's very good news for investors and traders and Bitcoin or cryptocurrency miners. Then I could see the Bitcoin price could go up higher. Yeah, we had a little bit of drawdown, right here, August 5th, 53,000 around there. So that was a good opportunity. It has nothing to do with cryptocurrency. It's just a Japanese yen carry trade. So Japanese traders, they are borrowing money from Japan in Japanese yen, converted it into US dollars. And they used US dollars to invest in cryptocurrency or US stocks. So when Japanese Bank of Japan raised the interest rate, they got really scared, because when you raise the interest rate, the loan on the currency that you borrow, the interest is gonna go up. Plus, Japanese yen appreciated, so they need to sell whatever they are holding in US dollars, stocks, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and convert it to Japanese yen to pay it down as fast as possible. So that's what caused the temporary drawdown. Very good opportunities if you know how to use it. It doesn't change Bitcoin fundamentally. Yeah, who used that opportunity? Comment down below. Republicans, right now Democrats are basically supporting cryptocurrency. Some of the Democrats got money from cryptocurrency pack. So Republicans feel betrayed, because Republicans, they always thought, we are the first one to support cryptocurrency, deregulations, whatever that is. Now, $3 million is given to Democrats running in Arizona, and another $3 million is another candidate, Michigan. Hey, why are you complaining when you are getting $12 million in Ohio race that could flip Senate? You should not be complaining about it, but doesn't matter. It makes good news. And another thing is Harris and Trump. And Trump used to hate Bitcoin. He wanted the US dollar to be #1. He used to call it scam. And Harris is more crypto friendly than President Joe Biden. So President Joe Biden is okay. They are not going to ban it outright. So I could see that cryptocurrency industry is going to have a bright futures, regardless of who becomes the president. Kamala Harris or Trump, doesn't matter. Who are you supporting? Comment down below. We're gonna listen to Trump, why he was against Bitcoin. This video was in June 7, 2021.
It just seems like a scam. I was surprised. With us it was at 6,000 and much lower. I don't like it because it's another currency competing against the dollar. Essentially, it's a currency competing against the dollar. I want the dollar to be the currency of the world. That's what I've always said.
Yes, he wants the US dollar to be #1 currency in the world, and he thinks that Bitcoin is scam. And he talked about the Bitcoin used to be 6,000, so he didn't believe that, but he changed because he wants to get votes from young people. You see, politicians, they always try to get votes, but remember, politicians, you need to see their action. If he really wants US dollar to be #1, he would not make interest rate to zero. He really wanted to make US interest rate to become zero when he was the president. He wanted to change Federal Reserve policy. Federal Reserve is independent. It should be independent. So he was always pressuring Jerome Powell to keep it zero. When in your currency country, the interest rate becomes zero, your currency depreciate. Why? Because nobody wants to buy your US dollar to put the money in the bank. You don't get any interest rate. So if nobody wants it, your currency depreciate. Hey, it's not gonna make your US dollar #1. No, and plus, if you keep interest rate zero, if something happens in the country, another disaster, another COVID pandemic, then there is no way for you to reduce the interest rate to stimulate the economy. Reduce the interest rate, stimulate the economy, raise the interest rate to cool down the economy. You see that? So never make interest rate zero if you really love your country. Yeah. So Kamala Harris, she's going to appoint pro-crypto key advisor picks. That's really good news. She realized that crypto is here to stay. We might as well create more jobs with cryptocurrency. She's going to hire James Sparrins, who used to be at the Ripple Labs. He's one of the advisors to Kamala Harris. That's good. Another person, Brian Nelson. Brian Nelson has experience regulating cryptocurrency to prevent illegal activities. That's really good. And his understanding of financial regulations combined with previous time, he has a balanced approach. So that's really good. Another person, David Plott, pro-crypto background. He is publicly advocating for creating tailored regulations that protect consumers without stifling innovations. That's really good. Yeah, it's all pro-cryptocurrency. And plus, billionaires, pro-crypto Democrats, billionaires rally for Harris. Hey, you know what? We are supporting Kamala Harris, and we are also supporting cryptocurrency too. That's pretty good. You see, everybody really wants to make it a priority. Billionaires, Democrats, Republicans. That's pretty good news. And if you are just starting out investing, personally, I will put more of my money in the stock market. Probably set aside some for real estate. If you own one house, I wouldn't necessarily buy 3 or 4 more houses because you cannot carry your house if you want to travel around the world. If something happens to your country, your city, a bomb, a disaster, that's going to wipe out all your properties. But for stocks, you can travel around the world. Nobody's going to know you are millionaires. See? You don't have to worry about it. So that's why I like it. I'm going to put more if I were you. This is not financial advice. I'm just telling you, if I were you, I'm just going to put more in stocks. And it's up 1.61. Year to date, it's up 16.88%. Yeah, 5 years, pretty good. S&P 500 double the money. Every dip that you get is a good opportunity. Look at that. It's always up. It's always up. It's only for US stock market, okay? Not the other stock markets. So yeah, Nasdaq, yes, I like it. 2.34%. It's up. The past 1 month, drop opportunity. Shopping time. It's up. Very good. Year to date, it's up. Stay up. coming down, up. Dow Jones up 1.39% yesterday, and 5 days 2.93%. Walmart doesn't move, 5 days 5.76. So you don't want to miss this days. If you miss it, there are not so many benefits. Don't miss it, okay? Always keep invested. Probably put some money in Bitcoin. If you have extra, year to date is up 31.65, but it's not as good as Nvidia or Apple stocks, Nvidia or other stock. Let's look at Nvidia stock. Year to date is up 155%, better than Bitcoin. You see, if you want to learn more, you can go to my YouTube, Master Rich Stock Options Crypto. Go to playlist, you will see Bitcoin and cryptocurrency right here. Share, subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.